What's up guys, Chicks here from Chicks Tech Reviews. Today I've got my hands on the Entmate 8 Android TV box. Now this box is running the S905X2 Quad-core CPU with 4 gigs of RAM and 32 gigs of internal storage. You have dual band Wi-Fi AC with a 2x2 MIMO, so this has dual antennas and dual band Wi-Fi. You've got a gigabit LAN, Bluetooth version 4, you've got full Android 8.1 Oreo, supports 4K HDR at 60 frames per second with HDMI version 2.0 and 5.1 surround sound. Now the box itself, surprisingly enough, is made completely from metal, the front, sides and top, and is finished in black. You've got an aluminium trim going all the way around, and I have to say the build quality does look pretty top notch. Now you've got the Entmate logo on the top, an LED display on the front. On the side we have a micro SD card slot, a full-size USB 2 and a full-size USB 3. On the back we have a AV port, gigabit LAN, HDMI out, optical out, power socket and an external Wi-Fi antenna. If we keep going, there is nothing on this side, and that brings us back to the front, and this is what the bottom of the box looks like. Now inside the box you will find a user manual, an HDMI cable, UK power adapter, and I'll tell you the voltage. It's DC 5 volts to A. Now this does come with a standard remote control. There's no voice search functions. It's a standard remote, but you have the ability to control your television, and this is powered by 2 AAA batteries. Not only that, this package also comes with an Air voice remote. It's quite a popular remote control, powered by 2 AAA batteries. So there's no Bluetooth. This functions with a wireless USB dongle, and this one does support voice search functions. And with that being said, let's go ahead and get this all hooked up to my TV and capture card and find out how good it really is. I'll be right back. So first of all, I ran a boot up speed test, and this TV box took exactly 31 seconds to fully load the home screen from a cold start. And here is the home screen for this TV box. We have a simple layout here. Now in the top left hand corner you have your voice search functions, and on the right you have information for your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and your local time. Now the first row of icons, you'll see a plus sign under collections. Now over here you can go ahead and add your favorite apps. Just below that you will see all the apps installed on this box as standard. Now right at the bottom we have some shortcuts for main system settings, your Wi-Fi information, system app drawer and your Droid settings. Now let's quickly head over to the main settings and check out our system storage information. Now this box has 32 gigs of internal storage, from which we have 25 gigs free to use. And if we have a quick look in about, you will see that we are running Android version 8.1 Oreo. Now we're going to have a quick look at Droid settings. Now in this section you will see a number of advanced options such as display resolution, HDMI CEC controls, playback settings, audio output, and this one does support DTS and 5.1 surround sound. You also have power key definition, followed by Bluetooth settings. You've also got a picture section where you can adjust the picture quality for your videos. And finally, you have more settings at the bottom, which will take you to the full tablet style Android settings page. Now let's go ahead and check out the system app drawer. Here are all the apps installed on this box as standard. I have not installed anything yet, and you do have quite a few apps to get you started, and of course the full version of the Google Play Store. Now the first thing I want to test is screen mirroring. Now you do have AirScreen installed as standard, and you can download AirScreen as a free app from the Play Store on any of these type of TV boxes. So I was able to successfully screen mirror my iPhone running iOS 12. And as you can see, the screen mirroring experience was seamless. There was no lag whatsoever. It was a great experience. So now I'm going to play some 4K video samples from a USB drive, and I will be doing this from the included KD player, which is basically the Kodi media player. So let's go ahead and play the first video. So as expected, 4K at 60 frames per second plays ultra smooth. Now let's move on to the YouTube performance test, and we can stream a maximum of 4K on YouTube.
We are everyone, and we are invisible.
I woke up with a heavy case of amnesia in the middle of nowhere. The only clue to my past is Harry's name and address inside.
You built all this.
I put all my energies into this tower, but I am the
So moving on now to a quick gaming test, and we are going to be playing Asphalt 8 Airborne. For you advanced users, DRM info shows Google Widevine level 3, and here is CPU Z where you can check out the clock speeds, and you can see it's the Mali G31, and this box does come rooted as standard. Now in the Wi-Fi speed test we got download speeds of 66 megabits per second and upload speeds of 18 megabits per second. And the top speeds we currently get in this office is between 66 to 70 megabits per second. So that brings us to our benchmarks, beginning with Geekbench multi-score of 2175, and in the Antutu benchmark test we got a total score of 58k. So let's see how this compares to the others. So here is my top Android TV box chart of 2019, showing you the latest TV boxes and seeing how they compare with each other. And as you can see, the new Entmate 8 has taken position 15 on this chart with a rating of 8.6 out of 10. Now you can see the full versions of all my charts online at chigstech.com and read them at your leisure. So there you have it guys, that was the new Entmate 8. So here are my thoughts on this TV box. You have a great metal build quality, supports smooth 4K 60 playback from USB drives and on YouTube. Now the box also supports USB 3, Bluetooth and has a gigabit LAN port with very good Wi-Fi speeds to go with it. Performance is also quite good with the S905X2 chip combined with Android version 8.1 Oreo. However, there is no Miracast for Android, no drop-down status menu, and you are limited to 480p on Netflix and Amazon Prime Video due to lack of HD licensing. Bottom line, for the price, this is still a pretty decent box, offering generally a good performance. Gaming is also quite good, and the box does not overheat as you do have quite a decent build quality. And with that being said, I will leave the links in the description in case you want to check this box out. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you all have a brilliant day. See you in the next one, guys.